Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the Bluetooth not working issue on Windows 11. Step 1, restart the Bluetooth support service. When you experience Bluetooth related issues, the first thing you should try is stopping and restarting the Bluetooth service on your PC. Open the Run window by pressing Windows plus R keys. Type services.msc and hit Enter. In the Services window, find Bluetooth Support Service. If the service is running, stop it first. Set the startup type to automatic and then start the service again. Step 2, reinstall the Bluetooth driver. Open Device Manager. Expand the Bluetooth section. If you see a yellow exclamation mark, it means the Bluetooth hardware is not responding correctly. Right-click on the Bluetooth driver and select Uninstall Device. Check the box for Remove Driver and confirm the uninstallation. Go to your PC manufacturer's website and download the correct Bluetooth driver. Run the downloaded file and install the Bluetooth driver. Restart your computer. Step 3, open Settings. Click on Bluetooth and Devices. Click on More Bluetooth Settings. Check the box next to Allow Bluetooth Devices to find this computer. Optional Enable show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. Click Apply and then OK. Step 4, remove and reset Bluetooth devices. Remove the problematic Bluetooth device from the previously paired devices list. Open Settings, Bluetooth and Devices. Select the device you're having trouble with and click Remove Device. Reset your Bluetooth device. This process varies by brand. For example, to reset a JBL Bluetooth earphone, turn it on,